Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to perform hard reset on your earbuds EARFUN Air Pro 4. You have to start by put your earbuds to the charging case, and after that at the top of this case we have connection button. You need to press and hold this button for at least 3 seconds. This LED light flashed 3 times, and it means that it will finish factory reset. So we just press on it, and you saw we did it. Now we need to remove these earbuds from your phone, so click the information icon or settings icon if you have Android. Then forget this device and forget device. Also don't forget to click pair new device on your Android. And after a factory reset, these earbuds enter to prank mode automatically, so we can easily add it to your phone. Now tap on it. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!